This product has a unique ability to extract sugars from the plant's leaves and direct them towards the fruit. This leads to bigger, sweeter and more robust fruits. It achieves this by supplying complex carbohydrates, B vitamins and enzymes to your plant. Some users will notice a natural fading, purpling or yellowing to the leaves as sugars are drawn away from them and directed to the flowers. Bud Excel is the perfect product for boosting terpene profiles and improving taste and aroma. You first add Bud Excel to your feed schedule during the middle of your flowering stage, after your first flowers have formed, roughly week 4 until the end of your flowering cycle. Bud Excel can be used in any hydroponic system and in any substrate you desire. It can be used effectively with any other nutrient regime. However, you will get the best results using the complete house and garden range. The dilution rate of 1 ml per litre stays the same the entire time you use Bud Excel. When used alongside shooting powder and top shooter, your fruits will undoubtedly be much larger and tastier.